Hello and welcome to Hidden Intelligence Inside a Modern Car, a masterclass series on automotive networking. Day 9. I'm Dr. Priyalata. Imagine driving a connected vehicle on highway. Suddenly steering behaves unexpectedly, braking commands are manipulated, dashboard warnings appear randomly, and vehicle control becomes unstable. Now imagine this was not caused by hardware failure, but by a cyber attack. Modern vehicles are no longer mechanical machines. They are connected computing platforms, software-driven mobility systems, and internet-enabled cyber-physical systems. And wherever connectivity exists, cybersecurity risks also emerge. Today, we will deeply explore automotive cybersecurity. That includes vehicle attack surfaces, CAN vulnerabilities, ECU hacking risk, secure communication systems, intrusion detection, cryptographic protection, and ISO SAE 21434 framework. Because future automotive engineers must design vehicles that are not only intelligent but also secure. Why automotive cybersecurity became critical? Older vehicles had minimum electronic connectivity, isolated ECUs, and limited external communication. Cybersecurity risk was relatively low. Modern vehicles are different. Today's vehicles support Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular connectivity, OTA updates, smartphone integration, V2X communication, and cloud connectivity. Modern vehicles contain millions of lines of software code. This dramatically increases attack surface area. A connected vehicle behaves like a distributed network computer system. Thus, vehicle cybersecurity threats similar to computers, servers, cloud systems, and IoT devices. But with one major difference, vehicle cybersecurity directly affects human safety. Standing vehicle attack surface. An attack surface refers to any point where unauthorized access may occur. Modern vehicles contain multiple potential attack paths. Common automotive attack surfaces or first one, infotainment system, because that is connected to Bluetooth, USB, smartphone apps, and internet services. Often targeted because they interface externally. Telematics control unit that supports remote diagnostics, OTA updates, and cloud communication. These create direct network entry points. OBD2 port, diagnostic port used for ECU programming, diagnostics, and service tools. If exploiters, attackers may gain CAN access. Wireless interfaces, example, Wi-Fi keyless entry system, tire pressure monitoring systems. Wireless communication increases vulnerability. ADAS and autonomous systems, modern sensor-rich architectures increase data exposure, network complexity, and attack opportunities. As vehicles become more connected, more software-driven, more autonomous, cybersecurity becomes fundamentally integrated with system architecture. Plus vulnerabilities. CAN was originally designed for reliability, real-time communication, and simplicity, but not for cybersecurity. The key CAN vulnerabilities are: first one, no authentication. CAN messages do not verify sender identity. meaning any compromised ECU can transmit messages. Let's take a simple example. If an attacker gains access to the CAN bus, they may inject fake braking commands, fake steering data, malicious sensor information. Second, broadcast communication. All ECUs receive CAN traffic, thus malicious frame can spread network wide. Third one is no encryption. CAN messages are transmitted in plain text. Attackers monitoring the bus may read data, reverse engineer communication, and analyze vehicle behavior. Fourth one is priority exploitation. Attackers may transmit high priority malicious frames, blocking legitimate communication. This creates denial of service attacks. CAN security limitations emerged because when CAN was developed, vehicles are largely isolated systems. But today's connected vehicles requires much stronger security architectures. Automotive security mechanisms. Modern vehicles implement multiple cybersecurity protections. First one, secure gateway ECUs. Gateway ECUs filter communication between external interfaces and internal vehicle networks. Their functions include traffic filtering, access control, message validation. Second one is message authentication. This ensures message originate from trusted ECUs using cryptographic signatures, authentication codes. Third one is encryption. This protects confidentiality, data privacy, and secure communication, especially important for OTA updates, cloud communication, and V2X systems. Fourth one is secure boot. During startup, ECUs verify software authenticity. This prevents unauthorized firmware, malware installation, and compromised software execution. Hardware Security Modules, HSM. Dedicated hardware components for cryptographic operations, secure key storage, and authentication. This is increasingly common in modern ECUs. Automotive cybersecurity increasingly uses hardware-assisted security architectures because software-only protection is insufficient for safety-critical systems. Intrusion Detection Systems, IDS. Modern vehicles increasingly use automotive intrusion detection system. Monitor communication network for abnormal behavior, unauthorized traffic, and suspicious communication patterns. Types of IDS are signature-based IDS. That detects known attack patterns similar to antivirus systems. Anomaly-based IDS. This uses machine learning, statistical analysis, and behavioral monitoring to detect unusual communication behavior. Let's take one simple example. If an infotainment ECU suddenly sends brake commands, IDS may identify this as an abnormal behavior. IDS must balance security with real-time performance because excessive monitoring can increase latency and computational overhead. ISO SAE 21434 framework. Modern automotive cybersecurity is guided by ISO SAE 21434. It provides structured cybersecurity engineering process across design, development, protection, and maintenance. ISO 21434 includes threat analysis, risk assessment, secure architecture design, security validation, and incident response planning. Cybersecurity must be continuous across the vehicle life cycle, not simply added after development. Cybersecurity in autonomous and Connected vehicle. Future vehicles will rely heavily on cloud communication, AI systems, V2X communication, OTA updates, and centralized compute platforms. This creates major cybersecurity challenges. Future mobility depends on trustworthy cybersecurity architecture because without cybersecurity, autonomous vehicles cannot become socially acceptable. Today we explored why automotive cybersecurity is critical. Vehicle attack surfaces. Can vulnerabilities secure gateway architectures? Encryption and authentication, intrusion detection system. ISO SAE 21434 framework. Future cybersecurity challenges. Vehicles are rapidly transforming into connected digital platform, intelligent AI system, networked mobility ecosystems. But connectivity without security creates risk. As automotive engineers, your responsibility is not only to build intelligent systems, but systems that remain safe, resilient, and secure against evolving threats. Because the future of mobility depends on trust.